Get in! Welcome back to a new episode of Mad Aussie Adventures.
In this episode, we are travelling through Newcastle, Forster, and we'll probably go up as far as Coffs Harbour and check out some hip camps, see what we can get up there and just explore the area.
The way we change our mind, who knows where we'll end up. So this is supposed to be the longest tunnel in Australia, isn't it?
Yes, so the new M5 section of Sydney's West Connex.
Which this is it.
It's been open for 4 years. You can tell it's new, it's nice and fresh.
We go for bloody miles, this is ridiculous. Does it say how long it is?
If this is it provides 9 kilometres.
What? There goes our solar.
Fancy.
Well, the mighty Triddy's handling it good, babe, isn't it?
Yeah, it's doing a good job. So we've done the east coast south of Sydney. So now we'll do the east coast north of Sydney.
Woohoo!
Want to see another beach?
I'm sitting next to one.
How's the power going, Dibbo?
Good, mate. Yeah, good. Just sending a report to Gary. He was asking, Gary from Home at 12 Volt was asking how it was all going and that, so I've just taken a photo, just sent it off to him. Yeah, it's going good, Gaz.
What are we sitting on?
We were on 429, yeah, 429, 410 now, 120 coming in. We're charging it around 120, 140, but the fridge has taken out 300, so still that's doing the fridge and still doing more. Yeah. We're in Newcastle and we've jagged another free camp spot for the night. So yes, you can't complain.
It's not too shabby.
No. Nice little spot under the tree. Yeah, no, I'm happy. What about you, Anya?
Yep.
Pretty happy?
Yes. You've got to love a
Cool.
free spot.
Oh yeah. And then when we probably heading to Port Macquarie tomorrow, and then if we find somewhere nice, whether it's free camp or caravan park, whatever we can get hold of, we'll try and stay there for a few days and really enjoy the place, hey?
Yeah, it's time to camp up for a while and just chill.
Yeah, we've been on the go for too much. We're enjoying that, but
Yeah,
we're
we are
just
enjoying
full
that.
on.
Yeah.
All right, time for us to relax a bit. So this is one of them race boats, isn't it?
Yeah. Brave people.
Oh yeah. So just get people untrained. We checked the video out, and the waves I've seen them going through and all the rest, I wouldn't go anywhere near it. Well, what a glorious morning.
Beautiful.
We're heading to, well, we're going to go to Forster, drive in, have a gander, and then we're going to Port Macquarie.
Yeah, we'll try and get a caravan park there because it's time to do some washing, fill up the tanks.
Well, let's go. Oh, get in!
Because we were only at Stockton for one day, I didn't realise that we missed out on looking at some shipwrecks. So the Stockton Breakwater is well known for a graveyard of vessels. So the Breakwall took 14 years to build and is the route of a shipwreck walk. It's coffee time.
Yes, it sure is.
Stretch the legs. Only been travelling an hour and a half. Oh, beautiful scenery. If we're at the Cherry Pie Cafe, we'll have to buy cherry pie. Gee, every man in his boat comes here for a holiday. It's a very pretty place, but probably a little bit crowded for us.
Pretty popular spot, isn't it?
Isn't it? Where we going, Gibbo?
To the beach! Woohoo!
We've got a tide pool we're going to have a swim in. And we heard people saying, oh, the temperature's beautiful. So look out, here we come. This is the best tide pool I've come across.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Beautiful view. Shells on the rocks are a bit sharp. Oh yeah. Wow, I have never seen a cafe like this before. Check out the flowers. Absolutely beautiful. Feels like you're in Paris. This is Cafe Toscano. And then this little one on the corner is Mezza. Another free camp. Not
Well,
just a rest area.
It's a rest stop.
Yeah.
But we got a pub just there and fuel. And yeah, this is a bit of a rest area here. How cool is this? Got the Jenny in the back for emergencies. That was about 50 bucks I think from Bunnings, and it allows me to, that's what I'm going to do, I've got a 3000 watt inverter in here. I'm just going to see what it puts into the van. We're up around 96% or something, but let's go in and have a look and see what. So I'll just get this in here. Give me a look. So I'll put that there. Make sure it's on. Turn the inverter on. Yep, all good. Obviously, you just plug it into where you would normally with power. So we'll just go in now and we'll just suss it out. Okay. come up here. And we're on 96% and it's going up. What's that, over 1,000 watts? 1,200. Yeah, it's going to sit up around, I reckon, just under and just over 1,300. So that's pretty cool. That's a good, and the car's running. Yeah, so the car's still running. So that's putting in, I think, 1,000 watts into the car batteries, and then the car batteries are putting, you know, roughly around 1,300 watts back into this to charge it. So it's like, you know, it's like we've got a jetty in the back, but it saves fuel and saves mucking around with that. This is just a good, quick, easy way of replenishing your power. Love it. Very cool. Check this out. Someone's made himself at home. Are you comfortable there, baby? Yes. Are you sure?
Well,
oh. Oh, right.
It's cocktail time. Too. The sites are nice and big, aren't they, today?
Yeah, they are.
They've got plenty of room.
And where are we now, Anya?
We're at Port Macquarie. Now, it is Lighthouse Beach Holiday Village, and it's actually a very pretty little spot.
Oh, it's nice. You can't see now, but quite often you'll see the golfers walk through here, hitting their balls and that. It's a beautiful little spot. Oh, the things you got to do.
This is my recording prop. Check out the little showers. A little shower hut.
trying. Hey, you got my attention. Now I know what I'm missing. Tell me what we holding out for. Baby, let's light it up, flash it on a billboard. Oh, 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 oh.
It's like quite a nice beach.
Yeah, lovely. Lots of white soft sand.
Beautiful eyelashes. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
We have been on a camel before.
In Broken Hill, Silverton.
But this is completely different. All right, can you imagine being on the beach and this plane coming straight for you? Apologies for the bad footage, but it scared the crap out of all of us. It looked like it was going to plant itself in the beach and then last minute turned. A very surreal moment, and what does everyone do? Just get their phones out. Yeah, too bad if the plane's going to crash into us.
What the hell? How low is that? That was coming straight at us.
Yep. No, he doesn't like the Australian.
Now we move to my bedroom alongside our mixie. I dey give you bedu we go bust a brain, to dance, let we dance. I dey give you bedu we go bust a brain, to dance, let we dance. Okuro wedi yai mukeke, yai mukeke. Okuro wedi yai mukeke, yai mukeke.
Yeah, well, she taught me into going on the camels. I've been on it before, I really didn't want to do it. I was going to sit around and wait. Anyway, I went on and actually I really enjoyed it.
Yeah.
It was, being on the beach just made it so good.
Yeah.
Great blokes, really, they have a good laugh, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, good bunch of blokes, so yeah, it was great.
Yep, loved it. Highly recommend it.
Oh, absolutely highly recommend it. Anyone that comes to Port Macquarie, get down here and get on the camels, mate, because it's bloody good fun. Loved it. What do you reckon? About a 5-minute walk from the...
Yeah, 6-minute walk.
Yeah, just a quick walk from the Caravan Park, straight to the beach.
Straight to the beach. Nice beach too.
Yeah, beautiful.
And there's a lighthouse that you can check up, hence Lighthouse Beach, that you can check up at the end of the beach. It's so good.
Number 10.
Number 10.
Anyone coming here, get number 10.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
What a spot. And they've got a good setup here because most of the caravan parks you go to have got a lot of permanents, but all the permanents are separated and they're all up the back.
Thanks for watching Mad Aussie Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please like, share and subscribe. We're just trying to build our channel up and get out to more people, showing them places they may not have seen. So yeah, thanks guys.
See you in the next episode.
You've got to be pretty keen. Bring a spare tyre for your bike. Oh, and he's camping here too, by the way.